Hello class. This is a short video reminding you how to do in-text citations. So I think you saw this in week 9, but I want to make sure to remind you. And I will have a different video about the works cited page. Okay, sample in-text citations for Essay 2. So a reminder that you must have a citation like this for every piece of information from the book. The author's last name, page number, parenthesis, period after. Okay? If you use the author's exact words from the book, of course you need quotation marks. So here's another sample with a quote. And you have a little lead in when you go into quotes, according to Coates or something like that. Okay? Now, outside sources. How to introduce and cite outside sources. Tell your reader where all the information is from. So you do that in your sentence, like this. According to an article from the website Black Past, Howard University was founded, blah, 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 blah. And then here's the author of that article. Why do I have no page number? Because it's from the internet. And there are no page numbers on websites, okay? If there is a page number, you put it in there, just like you would here. So only authors' last names go in parentheses. Not the name of the website, not a URL, not the name of the article. Author's last name, okay? So don't forget. Another sample, in a 2009 New Yorker article, Claudia Pierpoint tells us that Baldwin, blah, 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 okay? So you're telling your reader a little something about your outside source, okay? So you're not just quoting some random person from the internet, right? So tell your reader where it's from, and then the author's last name in parentheses, and page number, if there is one. But it's from the internet, so I don't have a page number in this case. Another example, racialized real estate covenants are explained by Julian Agyeman, professor of urban and environmental policy and planning at Tufts University. So notice in this one that instead of telling you the website it's from, I told you who the guy is because it makes him look good. The guy's a professor. I'm going to tell you that. So you can decide what to tell your reader about your source. But tell your reader something about each source. I think it's a good idea. Just so your reader doesn't feel like you're quoting some random person from the internet. Okay? And again, last name in parentheses. And I don't have a page number because there is none, because it's from the internet. Okay. So that's it. Make sure to do this in your essay for your outside sources. Tell us where it's from, citation in parentheses. Okay? Thank you.